Meaning of high water.
High water.
High water.
High water.
High water. The term high water generally refers to the highest level that a body of water, such as a river or ocean, reaches during a tide or flooding event. This term can also be used in a more abstract sense to refer to a peak or high point in a particular situation or context. High water is often used in conjunction with the phrase mark to describe the specific point where the water level reaches its highest point. Understanding the concept of high water is important for individuals living in flood-prone areas or those involved in activities such as boating or fishing.